Now that we have a basic understanding about the different features that we can use to create a 2D model, we need to give dimensions. As you can see here, anytime you draw a line or a curve, the software will give some dimensions. These dimensions that are in maroon color are given by the software, but you can specify the dimensions that you want by clicking on Rapid Dimensions, or you can double click the dimension that you want to change. If you use Rapid Dimensions and you want to measure, for example, the distance between this point and this point, it will turn blue. It means that this dimension is given by you. And you can do the same with all the dimensions of the figure or the model that you're working on. Rapid dimensions have different methods that you can use to measure. It could be horizontal, vertical, point to point, perpendicular, cylindrical, angular, radial, or diametral. For example, to measure an angle, you're going to use angular dimension. If the dimensions that are given by the software are the correct ones, all you have to do is double click the dimension, then press enter, and then close. As you can see here, the dimension turns blue. Also the angles, just double click them and then close it. A very common mistake is that you usually give more dimensions than the one you really need. You always want to have your sketch fully constrained. As you can see here, it will always tell you how your model is going. For example, if I give another dimension over here, it will give me red dimensions. The red dimensions means that you're given more dimensions than the ones you need. And what you have to do is to erase any of the red dimensions that you have. Never leave any model as over-constrained geometry. You can delete any of the dimensions that are red. As you can see now, this sketch is fully constrained. Once your sketch is fully constrained, you get to finish a sketch. To modify your sketch, you can double click the blue line, and now you can modify, change dimensions, or you can right click on a sketch which is in the part navigator and then edit, and now you can modify. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.